straight to the point. Here we go. I'm testing out now my C7 Corvette cup holder flexible divider. Because as we know, this thing here is just beyond flimsy. So, taking this one out. And here's the new one. Came in a cute little box. Opening up the box, that's what's inside. Very easy. Put together. I'm holding it with one hand. Alright. Okay. Should be pretty easy. I've tried it already. Let's see here. This is what it looks like. This is for my C7 Corvette Stingray. Okay, there's the little thing there. I hope I'm doing it right. Wait a minute. Upside down. Oh, it was the other way. Oh, there it goes. Alright, snaps right into place. Great job. Alright. I love it. Flimsy, doesn't move. I absolutely love it. Perfecto. Thank you. I love it. I purchased it right away as soon as I saw it advertised, and it does the trick. So now I can toss this baby. Goodbye. This is the Corvette C7 Corvette cup holder flexible divider. It wasn't expensive either, so great job. Thank you.